Hello everyone, today we will learn about hash table in C Sharp. So let's get started. A hash table is a collection that is stored key value pair. It is a non-generic collection, so both key and values are treated as object. The element of hash table are stored as a dictionary entry object. On the right hand side I have given the example of hash table with their syntax, so you can see what is the syntax and how we can add values in hash table. So I have already declared a class here, so let's get started with this program. So first we need to write hash table here. It is showing some error. First we will complete the whole line, then we will check. So I'm using my hash table name is menu, then I'm using like instantiated, so I'm using new hash table and with brackets. See, now it is gone. It's a part of collection, and that is why, which is already mentioned above, collection namespace. So no error is coming. Menu. Now next I will use this menu and will use add method to add values in my hash table in this key and value format. Okay, so in menu what we can write, so let's think. Okay, first I have to mention key, so I'm using 1, and for like value I'm using soda. For key number 2 I'm using sandwich. Again I will add another value. For key 3 coffee. For key 4 ice cream. Now I will use for each loop to print all these values. So just like okay, so here for each loop I'm using dictionary entry. See, the detail of dictionary entry is given while we hover on it. So we have to put some name also, like of that dictionary entry I'm using item, and the above is menu, so in menu. So this is my for each loop, and inside this console.writeLine I will write item dot key. I think some space is better to differentiate both the thing. Then item dot value. That's it. These are some namespace which is not required, so we'll execute it. See, so as you can see, all the details are now coming. Ice cream is on the top, coffee, then sandwich, then soda. So have you noticed one thing, that like the order which we had given is not coming in that way in the output. This is all because of LIFO, cause in hash table it follow LIFO sequence, which is last in first out. So that is why ice cream is coming first, then coffee, then sandwich, then soda. So this is the reason behind this output for hash table. See, that's it. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.